In this lecture, we will study dictionaries. A Python dictionary is basically a hash table. It's an unordered set of key-value pairs and the keys must be unique. Here we are creating a new dictionary which represents a car. It has its brand, its color, its horsepower. We use curly brackets to construct a dictionary and separate the key and value with colons and separate pairs with comma. We can only access items by key values, not by their indexes. It's not ordered like lists. And we use square brackets to get a value by key. You can also add new key value pairs by making assignments like this. Now we added a new key value pair, price. We can also remove any key value pair by using del function. There are three different methods we can iterate through a dictionary. The first one is items, it gives you keys and values. The second one is keys, it just gives you the keys. And the third method is values, and it just gives you values. Here we are making a sample for items which will return keys and values, and we will make another sample for keys which will just return keys.